Welcome to our oceanography field trip. Our first stop is Fukushima, Japan. In this stop, we're going to explore ocean radiation. In March 2011, when the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant was damaged by the magnitude 9.0 earthquake that struck off the east coast of Japan, it resulted in radioactive cesium isotopes being released into the Pacific Ocean. The dumping of highly radioactive water into the Pacific Ocean constitutes a potential trigger to a process of global radioactive contamination. According to Ken Buesler, marine radioactivity oceanographer, said that Kuroshio current blocked radioisotopes flowing to the south. However, radioisotopes extended far across the Pacific Ocean. So it would be possible that the amounts of radioisotopes on the west coast of the United States will increase. Guam is our second stop. Guam is the southernmost and largest island in the Mariana Island chain and is also the largest island in Micronesia. This island chain was created by the colliding Pacific and Philippine sea tectonic plates. Guam is the closest landmass to the Mariana Trench, a deep subduction zone that lies beside the island chain to the east. Between Guam's lagoons and its coastal waters, the island is thought to have wreaths of coral gardens encompassing roughly 42 square miles, a figure that does not include the reefs in deeper waters further out to sea.
Our third stop will be Astoria Canyon, Oregon. Astoria Canyon, Submarine Canyon, and Fan Valley system of the Pacific continental margin off the coast of Oregon, U.S. Astoria Submarine Canyon begins 9 miles west of the Columbian River at a depth of 55 fathoms and winds sinuously southwestward across the continental terrace for a distance of 65 miles to a depth of 1,140 fathoms. At this depth, the canyon hooks sharply to the left and the morphologic characteristics change to those of a deep sea channel, Astoria Channel, which continues across Astoria Fan. 8 distributary-like channels radiate across the fan from the mouth of Astoria Canyon. This canyon has U to V-shaped transverse profiles, high, fairly steep walls with rock outcrops, a winding course, and numerous tributaries entering the canyon from both sides. Our final stop is Monterey Bay, California. Cross-cut active faults with low seismic mechanisms. Largest historical earthquakes appear in the Monterey Bay fault zone. It is located next to the major active fault zone, San Gregorio Fault. It is a seismically active fault. Monterey Bay fault zone is approximately 10 kilometers composed of roughly parallel faults. In the Monterey Bay region, the plate boundary between the North American and Pacific plates is comprised of the San Andreas Fault System, consisting of the Hayward-Calavera and San Andreas Fault zones on land, and the offshore Palo Colorado San Gregorio Fault. It boasts an undersea canyon that is deeper than the Grand Canyon. This rich environment is home to krill, Humboldt squid, mola mola, and a plethora of tiny animals that thrive in giant kelp forests.